Namaste to all dear students. In this video, I am giving a clarification regarding the inter first year exams postponement. Please remember, inter first year exams also have been postponed, and inter first year students have been promoted and they have not been declared as pass. Here in this uh, memo number 1346 issued by Higher Education Department. Okay, here we can see Higher Education Department, Government of Telangana, Higher Education Department, promotion and rescheduling of intermediate exams regarding. Here they are saying, first I will go to the inter first year students. All intermediate first year students will be promoted without exams, and exams will be held whenever becomes possible at future date. Please see this point number 3. Okay, all other things you all know, due to COVID pandemic this is being done. What they are saying, inter first year students will be promoted without exams, means first year students whoever are there, they will be promoted to the second year and they can continue their second year classes, okay, without waiting for the exams. Okay, but and see there, and exams will be held whenever becomes possible at future date. Okay, in future they will be having first year exams again. Okay, so presently they have declared as promoted without having exam, because generally if you pass first year then you will go to the second year based on your exams result. As usual, if you have first year failed students, then also they will be go to the second year. There is no difference here in the name promotion, because inter first year students, if they fail also all subjects, they will be again sit for the second year and they will write the supplementary exams for the first year backlog, whatever they are failed subjects. So here promotion is for temporary purpose and exams will be held at future date. Similar thing was done earlier for the degree students also. Degree first year and second year, last year when similar situation was there, only degree final year students have been first uh, uh, for degree final year students, first they have conducted the exams, and later on second year first year students exams have been conducted for the previous semester exams for which they have promoted. Here same thing is done with the first year intermediate students also by the Higher Education Department. Let us see one by one what they are saying. All intermediate second year exams proposed from 1st to 19th May 2021 exams are postponed. Okay, all second year students exams have been postponed. Okay, review will be held in the first week of June and future dates will be announced at least 15 days notice for the exams. What they are saying, for the second year students, whatever was the earlier schedule, 1st May to 19th May exams have been postponed for them, and in the first week of June there will be review based on the situation at future, and students will be informed 15 days before to the exams. So my request to the second year students to prepare well for their exams, as it is they have got more number of days for their exams. Okay, before the exams they can prepare well and plan accordingly. And all intermediate second year students who are having backlog will be given minimum passing marks for the backlog only. Suppose any second year student present is there and he is having any backlog in the first year, okay, one subject or two subjects, they will be get minimum passing marks, and whatever their backlogs are there, they will be, don't bother about them, prepare for the second year subjects only, because second year exams will be held, okay, as soon as in the June month, as soon as we will get the information, okay, new schedule will be given to them. For the first year students, what they are saying, all first year students will be promoted without exams, and exams will be held whenever it becomes possible at future date. So what they are saying, at future you will be having exams, presently you have been promoted. First priority is for second year students, because after completion of inter second year they need to go for further studies for degree or any other uh, a professional courses like BTech, okay, or MBBS, like they will study for further depending upon second year inter second year result only. So that is why what government is saying, first we will conduct the exams for the second year students due to COVID situation, okay, that will be rescheduled dates will be mentioned in the first week of June. And after that see here what they are saying, for first year students, first they have presently promoted now, but in future, okay, after conducting the exams to the first year second year students, in future, if whenever it becomes possible, at future date, exams will be held to the first year students also. So my request to the first year students, if you are not prepared well for the first to 19th exam, now you have got chance to prepare, okay, after completion of second year students there will be exams to the first year students also. And I am saying now, this was happened to the degree students previously. Higher education department did the same thing to the degree students. First they have conducted the exams for the degree final year students, and first year second year they have promoted to the second year and final year, and in between they have conducted the whatever exams which were postponed to the first year and second year students at future date. So same thing is going to happen to you people also. So don't think that there is no exams to the first year students, but there will be exams, but presently there are no exams. If you haven't prepared well, don't waste your time, okay. Oh, don't think you have been passed, you have not been passed, you will be having exams at future date. So my sincere request you all to prepare well for the whatever future exams will be there. Maybe in the last week of June they will announce you to write the exams in the July month, okay. So till then what we need to do, till then you need to prepare well for your exams. Exams are not the thing which decides your future, but one thing you remember, it is the thing which identifies who are eligible, who are not eligible. That is for the that particular criteria exams will be held. And don't prepare yourself for the, don't learn the things for your exams purpose, learn for your knowledge purpose. So this is the clarity for the second year and finally first year students of intermediate from my side. So my request to, whether it is second year or first year student, if you haven't prepared well, prepare well for your exams and plan accordingly. क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। जय हिंद।